Alright, so we're going to make a quick videotape on how to take the belt off the SnowDog. So this is the secondary clutch back here. The primary clutch is the one on the motor. There's two shivs on it, the fixed shiv. This is the movable shiv. So this one does move, and it moves backwards and this way to let the belt go in. So the easiest way to get it in or get the belt off is you have to get it down into the clutch to start with. So the easiest way to do that for me is take my left hand and pull up on the belt back here. Just pull up on it. While I'm pulling up on it, I'm going to take the movable shiv, this one, and rock it back and forth while I'm pulling up so I can get the belt to go down into the clutch. So I'll pull up on it, and then I'll just rock this shiv back and forth. Now the belt is way down in. Now I can easily take the belt and walk it off this side. And then once I walk it off, I can get it off the bottom of the secondary clutch, and then I can now walk it off the primary clutch, and that's how to get the belt off. To get it back on, it's a little trickier, but not much. You'll put it on the primary clutch on the back, fish it over by the frame, get it on. Then I'll go up to the primary clutch, and I'll just start it here. Now, once I've had it started, the only way to get it to walk on is I'll push with my thumb, and again, I want to get it down in there a ways, so when I push with my thumb, I'll rock the movable shiv back and forth a few times while I'm pushing with my thumb. Once I have it most of the way down in, now I can walk it back on easily. Now don't start that way. Take your, you can see the arrows for direction of travel. Basically the writing faces that direction. Just make sure you always do that. Now if I just take it and kind of walk it around a few times, I can make sure it's all the way up back to the top of the shiv. That's it. That's the easiest way to get it on and off.